When selling packaged food products such as rice, meat, or soup that are based on weight or volume, legally the product must be packed using the minimum or average weight system. Also, any weighing equipment used for this purpose must be trade approved and stamped accordingly. Using the minimum system, you can pack the products in accordance with the declared weight on the label. However, the weight of the product can be more, but not less than the declared weight using this system. When using the minimum system, each packed product is weighed and checked individually, ensuring it meets the declared weight. However, this system can result in more product giveaway. Using the average weight system, products must be packed to an average measurement, which can be calculated using sampling. Sampling is when you take a selection of the total product weighed from a batch. Manual sampling can be labour-intensive, and records must be kept to evidence due diligence. Typically, an average weight system is used to speed up the process and to eradicate any potential issues caused by human error. In larger manufacturing environments, an inline checkware is used to adhere to average weight legislation, which weighs every product from within a batch. All of these requirements can leave a business flooded with paperwork and long labour times that affect your productivity. This is where the Stevens Average Weight System comes in. The Stevens Average Weight System is an easy-to-use digital traceability system that allows you to easily follow all legal weighing requirements for your packaged products, eliminating manual paperwork and with electronic reports all at the touch of a button. But quality software is nothing without reliable hardware, which is why our average weight scale is a stainless steel IP66 trade-approved scale with a 10-inch touchscreen terminal built to last in high-use production environments. If you want to know more about what a Stevens Average Weight System could do for your business, get in touch now by emailing sales@stevenstraceability.com or by visiting our website at www.stevenstraceability.com.